It's your girl Dominica, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these cute marshmallow kebabs. Let's go ahead and get right to the video. I'm starting out by using a toothpick to dip the marshmallows in water. That makes the marshmallows sticky to allow the sprinkles to stick to it. Now you can just roll the marshmallows around in the sprinkles, but I prefer to apply it with a spoon. That way my sprinkles don't get all clumpy from the water and the marshmallows. Now I'm wiping off my toothpick because if I don't, it's going to turn my water colors and then I'll have to keep changing my water. So I just do that to prevent from coloring the water. After I get all the sprinkles applied, I'm going to allow the marshmallows to dry for about 30 minutes before I go ahead and put them on a stick. These are 8-inch treat sticks that I'm using for these marshmallow kebabs. I'm just shaking off some of the excess sprinkles, and when you get to the top marshmallow, make sure you don't put your stick all the way through the top. These are pretzel bags that I'm using to put the marshmallow kebabs in. And you can use whatever you want to tie your bag. Oftentimes I use tulle, ribbon, sometimes I just use the little ties that come with the pretzel bags. Totally up to you. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment as well. And thank you so much for watching.